Today, I'm going to show you how to crop, resize, or export an image in the Preview application. To accomplish many of your most common image editing tasks like cropping a photo or resizing an image doesn't require you to purchase expensive software. If you own a Mac or even an iPhone, you can do all this for free. Today we're using a MacBook Pro. All Macs come with the free native application called Preview. To access Preview, let's go into the Launchpad from the dock. Locate the Preview icon. Let's go ahead and click and drag on the icon and place it within our dock for easier access in the future. With Preview open, open the image you want to work with. Next, if the markup toolbar isn't showing, click the Show Markup Toolbar button. Then click the rectangular selection button. Select the portion of the page you want to keep. When you make a selection on your image, notice the crop button icon will appear in the markup toolbar. Click the crop button in the markup toolbar to crop your image. How to reduce an image's file size. With the file you wish to resize open, choose Tools, Adjust Size, ensure Resample Image is checked. Here you can enter whatever information you require for your image. Tap OK when you're satisfied with your selections. How to export your image to a different file type. Open the file you want to export. Choose File, Export. Then select a file type from the Format pop-up menu. You can also rename your file if you wish. Choose a location to save to, and select Save. Continue to experiment with all the many features of Preview on your own. Please like and subscribe and leave comments down below on any topic you would like to see covered.